Well, I don't know if y'all can see up there on the 7th floor, but everybody's outside the courtroom. So it's probably about an hour before the end of the day. Excuse me. But I see people up there.
The 7th floor, the top one?
Yeah, the 7th floor is the very top glass that you can see up there.
Oh, yeah, everybody's out. Everybody's
leaning. Yeah, they are. So it's probably a breaking court. But 4:30 is the end.
Where are the Bundys?
They'll be inside the courtroom. Cliven and Ammon Bundy will be. Ryan, he can come and go. And after today, we're hoping that everybody else will be. So don't know what's going on. You want to say hi? It's not aiming at you. I'm famous. I got 3 viewers.
3 views!
Yay.
That's more than I get in a year.
Rebecca commented. I don't see it. Might be on it something else. Hey, everybody's waiting, but I don't think anybody's coming down. Alright, I'm going to aim down because I'm going to talk to some folks and I don't have their permission to be on, put them on.
Okay, good.
I'm aiming down, guys. I got a live feed going right now, just so you know. No video on anybody. What happened? Is break right now?
It's kind of humdrum, actually. Back to the whole session was taken up with a new witness. Well, of course, even though I've written it down about 5 times, I can't remember her name. But she was a Bureau of Land Management law enforcement gal. Name.
She lying too?
Named Victoria Worfolk. I don't think she was lying. She didn't have much to say. She was there at the time, in the beginnings of the cattle roundup, and the whole session actually was taken up with a video of the front gate and fence area of this impoundment area near the incident
Command post, ICP.
Command post, ICP. And Ryan was cross-examining her specifically, and went into a lot of detail about where the fence was, about who was riding on horses. The people there were Ryan, Cliven, and Clancy Cox. They were on horseback. And there were also a film crew or cameramen there too that apparently had come out there with Ryan and Cliven. But there was nothing all that spectacular happening there, really. The one thing that didn't happen was, of course, Ryan and Cliven did not try to interfere or block anything that the BLM was doing. They just kind of rode around outside this fence line near I-15. They showed several shots of BLM trucks going out of this area through a gate. Several shots of very large cattle trucks, a whole bunch of them, 5 or 6 of them, I guess. They were pulling in there to haul off their cattle. Another shot of the horse trailer that I guess Cliven and Ryan had used to haul their horses down there to that area before they got out and started riding them. Ryan went into probably excruciating detail at the questioning this gal about all these things. Who was that on that horse? Who is this? Who was that riding along this fence? So forth and everything else like that. Well, this lady, though, the only thing that really came up is she testified that she thought that Ryan had taken his hand and put it in his pocket as though he was reaching for a gun or something like that.
Huh.
But she never saw a gun or anything like that at all. Later on in the coverage, when Ryan was cross-examining her, Ryan picked out a shot in which Ryan was on his horse and he had something in his hand, and it's kind of funny because let's see. Ryan says, "Ask the witness, can you see what it is in my hand there? How does this all work?" Anyway, it was a cell phone. I wish I could remember the exact word. It was kind of funny the way it all came out. Okay. Ryan asked, "What do I have in my hand here?" And the lady says, "Is that a cell phone?" And Ryan said, "Well, you're the one that's testifying here, and I'm cross-examining you. You're the one that's supposed to answer the question." But then Ryan said, "Yes, it was a cell phone." And we got a little laugh. As to the rest of it, so you'll probably get a better report on it. You had to go into the John Lamb.
He's great. John Lamb.
I gotta get a cigarette.
Okay, thank you. Let's go see Cindy. Cindy Lake. She's in councilwoman. Hi, Cindy. Okay, so we're waiting on Ammon and Cliven and Ryan Payne to be released.
Yes, I know that. So they are definitely coming out.
Well,
how come all those people are over there and you guys aren't?
I think they got special privilege.
They got special privileges?
I don't think nobody's going to talk to them.
No? Good.
So this is Cindy Lake, everybody.
Hi again.
Hello again.
Don't get too close.
There we are.
I was telling my son, go back.
They're still upstairs on the 7th floor for break up there.
Hi. Is that them up there?
That's everybody out of the courtroom.
Cliven won't go though.
What?
Cliven won't go.
Why? Without
he's not leaving until all the men leave.
Oh.
He said
What are you doing here? Oh my God, he won't leave. He's gonna make me cry.
Spelling rumors and doing that.
Where's your press badge? So you can go over there with all that
I already have everything.
Oh, okay.
It's not it's really the only news is up there. It's like,
They're right up there.
there's no mistrial or anything. That's bullshit.
Yeah. Well,
Give yourself a plug.
you know what? I don't want to miss.
There's no dismissal. I was just watching the trial is ongoing.
Yeah,
right,
I don't
but
want
we
to
want
miss
a
trial.
dismissal.
We don't want one.
We want. What do we want?
No,
we want a trial.
We want them to let them all the way loose. Or let
Not
them
guilty?
out for the trial. No, we don't want to miss trial with this jury.
You never know what a jury's going to do.
I think
You never know.
I think that jury's going to
Probably get a mistrial with some of the people I could tell, but I don't think you're going to get a full dismissal. You might. You never know. But
I doubt
I wouldn't. You never know.
Who are you with, sir?
Huh?
Can I ask who you're with? We're live feeding the Facebook. Say hi.
I'm with 3ccdaily.net. I'm a reporter.
Great.
And you can catch us on Facebook as well. And so right now they're not dismissing the case. It's ongoing. I was just in there. The trial is ongoing. In fact, I think Ryan Bundy was questioning.
Ryan Bundy was.
Ryan Bundy?
Ryan's in the cowboy hat. Did
Yeah,
you see him wear his
yeah.
cowboy hat? All right.
Ryan, he was. I didn't see the front. I just saw the back of his head. He was questioning one of the BLM people who were guarding the gate, I guess, to the
Impoundment.
BLM camp there. So he was trying to establish, it looked like, that they were just minding their own business, taking pictures and monitoring.
Great. Appreciate it.
So it should be interesting to see what happens.
Yeah.
But I will tell you this: I've never met the woman before, but she seemed very. She was resistant to his questions. Her arms were folded. She was not. She didn't seem fully. I don't want to say truthful, but
Forthcoming.
I didn't think she was very forthcoming. The BLM officer.
Oh.
We've been getting a lot from the state witnesses.
And her body language was saying.
Same liar.
Well, her arms were crossed. She wouldn't look him in the eyes, and she wouldn't answer the questions directly. And I don't think she was a good witness for the prosecution.
Now, what about the jury? How do you think they're taking that?
They're paying attention. They're surely paying attention. You're sitting in there for even a little while, and the questions do go on, and it's hard to stay focused sometimes if you're not into this, for the average person. But I think some of these guys have to get to their points a little faster for the juries. Now these people don't have much of a attention span, right?
Right.
I mean, their attention span is 2 minutes. So you got to get to it. You can't just keep it dragging on and try to take an hour to get there.
Is the jury aware they're being released? I mean, the whole world's aware they're being released.
Yeah, they were just told they're coming back on the 11th of December.
Okay.
So they already know that.
No, but there's a jury here that the Bundys are getting released.
I don't
the
believe.
jury know that?
I don't believe so.
I don't think so.
Because the whole world knows right now, right?
But I'm not sure if that matters to.
No, it shouldn't make any difference now. But well, it would. I mean, here you're saying we're holding these people are dangerous. We can't let them out.
Right.
Blah blah. Now the jury says,
Am I still
now
sideways?
now
Golly.
they're letting them
Sideways video.
Okay, you want me to take some of you?
Okay.
Day before yesterday, they were so dangerous.
This is Vince. He's the one who always does
Why-
the
I'm
videos.
not sure why
Oh,
they,
Not
rotate.
sideways.
You do it too.
I can't figure out this camera.
Yeah, there you go.
This is a justification.
Vince, you're on your own video.
Oh boy. I have a face for radio.
Yeah. So tell us what you've been doing.
Laying in bed yesterday and
They don't lie.
last night and the night
No, don't tell
before.
me that. I
Just
don't believe it.
pounded cold or something.
Oh, really?
Then I watched John this morning from yesterday and found out this is the last day. It's supposed to be yesterday.
Hi, Patty.
Hey, Cindy, how are you?
Good, how are you? Good. That's Patty.
So I had to come down regardless today.
And you're still...
Because the jury's gone, so you can come in right now. So
Inside the courtroom?
Okay.
Really?
You wanna go
Yeah,
in?
yes, I do. All right.
Okay.
Just
Won't
gonna
be able
have
to
some
take
other
this.
motion hearing or
Thanks.
something going on.
Oh, yeah?
Going in, John?
I don't have my ID with me, so.
Oh.
They didn't ask for my ID.
Hey, John,
They didn't ask me for my ID.
am I still sideways?
No.
I turned. I swear.
I don't come in here ever. I never go there.
They're still up there.
I guess look credible, I guess. Maybe they
you look like one of the lawyers, Lauer.
Probably.
Oh, he's a criminal. Check him out.
Are you going
They
in?
definitely have you on.
I don't know. I'll have to drop my
Seems
camera off
definitely
before I go upstairs.
I'm on this list.
Who's on the list?
She's on the naughty list.
I'm on the list.
I'm expecting my call.
So I thought they were, I heard a rumor that they were going to be dismissing the case. Trying mistrials. Who knows?
Well, we're praying. I mean, anything can happen.
I'm not. I'm saying not a trial. It looked like a trial to me going on.
Hi, what's going on?
Testimony and cross-examination.
What's the news?
Well, they're ready to
That's
go
a
in.
trial
They
going
just
on.
stopped after Ryan crossed. Victoria Worfolk.
The live. Just so you know.
Okay. They after
How many
Ryan,
views you got?
After Ryan got done,
4.
the judge
4?
said that they were releasing the
Put it on
jury.
mine.
I'm big
Put
time.
it on mine. I'm sorry. Let's do it on mine, Vince. Put it on-
I'm all
Okay.
messed up. I actually have to make a phone call real quick.
Okay, go ahead.
So, are you still live?
staying
Yeah, it's okay.
here?
I'm not.
So, after Ryan got done cross-examining the witness, the judge told that they were releasing the jury. And it was planned that there was going to be no court next week anyways. But she said that they were releasing the jury because they have another matter that they have to deal with. And while Ryan was cross-examining, pretrial services representative just did come in and sit down. So I think they were just waiting for pretrial services to get there.
Oh yeah, for Cliven and
yeah.
Emmett. All right, and Ryan Payne.
Yes.
Good.
You want to put it on yours?
Okay, what do I do?
Visitors.
What do I do?
I don't know. Just the same thing you do.
Oh, you're live.
I'm doing
to live stream.
It's
Okay.
a live stream. Do you want to do it?
Okay, and I'll stop this one right now.
Yeah, if you,
So
you can
Cindy,
get more
Lake.
viewers. Put yourself on there.
Cindy Lake.
We're
We're going over there right now.
Union.